Have you ever woken up in the morning and thought, why is my body working fine down there, but I'm still struggling with erectile dysfunction? Well, you're not alone. A lot of men face this, and the good news is, there's hope. In today's video, we'll talk about how you can fix ED naturally and why you don't always need those pills. You can actually do this without side effects, by understanding how your body works and making a few lifestyle changes. Let's dive in. Erectile dysfunction, ED, doesn't always mean there's a serious health problem. Sometimes, it's just about understanding how your body is working and how stress can play a big role. But don't worry, we're going to show you what you can do to fix it, naturally and without relying on medication. Lesson 1. Nitric oxide, the key to fixing ED. The secret to better erections might be a little molecule in your body called nitric oxide. No. You've probably never heard of it, but it's super important. Here's why. 1. Nitric oxide helps relax the muscles in your blood vessels, which improves blood flow. 1. That's good for your heart, your body, and yes, even your erections. 2. Nitric oxide also helps make testosterone, the hormone that's super important for healthy erections. 3. And get this, it even helps control stress hormones and make sleep better, which is huge since stress can cause ED. Lesson 2. Stress and the sympathetic versus parasympathetic systems. Now, let's talk about stress. It might sound simple, but stress is one of the biggest reasons men experience ED. Here's why. 1. Your body has two systems that help it run. The sympathetic system, the fight or flight system, and the parasympathetic system, the rest and digest system. 2. For a healthy erection, you need your parasympathetic system to be working. 3. But when you're stressed, your sympathetic system kicks in and messes with the process. 3. This is why you can wake up with a morning erection, but still struggle at other times. You're not getting enough relaxation. If you want to improve your erections, reducing stress is key. Lesson 3. Sleep and sleep apnea. Sleep is another big factor. If you have problems sleeping, like sleep apnea, it could make ED worse. Poor sleep lowers your nitric oxide levels, which messes with blood flow. So, getting better sleep can help your body produce more nitric oxide and improve your ED symptoms. Lesson 4. Foods and exercises to boost nitric oxide. Here's some good news. You can boost your nitric oxide naturally. It's simple, and you can do it with these easy changes. 1. Nasal breathing. Breathe through your nose, not your mouth. 1. Your sinuses produce nitric oxide, which then travels to your lungs and into your bloodstream. 1. Pretty cool, right? 2. Exercise. Regular physical activity can lower your stress and improve your vascular system. That means better blood flow and more nitric oxide. 3. Eat more foods rich in nitrates. These are foods that help boost nitric oxide. 3. Some of the best ones include spinach, beets, which are awesome for nitric oxide. Bok choy, even better than cabbage. Carrots, garlic, watermelon. Plus, dark chocolate, citrus fruits, pomegranates, and nuts are great too. Lesson 5. What to avoid. Now, let's talk about what to avoid to keep your nitric oxide levels up and your erections strong. 1. Sugar. It harms your blood vessels and reduces nitric oxide. 1. So, cut back on sugary foods. 2. Alcohol. Drinking too much can also lower nitric oxide. 3. Stress. We've already talked about how stress harms your erections. 3. Try to find ways to relax. Lesson 6. The importance of talking to your doctor. Sometimes, medications can cause temporary ED problems. So if you're taking any meds and notice changes in your erections, talk to your doctor. They can help figure out what's going on. So, to sum it up. 1. Boost your nitric oxide levels with things like nasal breathing, exercise, and eating nitrate-rich foods. 2. Reduce stress and sleep better. 3. Watch out for things that harm your blood flow, like sugar and alcohol. And remember, ED doesn't have to be forever. With a few small changes, you can improve your health and feel great again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Thanks for watching.